Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you guys how can you earn money from Temu easily. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. So first, to avoid any kind of problem in the process, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and just make sure you have the Temu app updated to the latest version for everything to run smoothly. After that, you can quit the store. Now let's go ahead and open the Temu app. Once it loads up, of course, you have to be logged into your account, and then from here you go ahead and tap on that little person icon in the bottom of the screen. It's going to take you to this window. Now from here, as you can see guys, it says I have 0 credit, and that's not even the credit that we're going to increase. We're basically going to get free gifts that you can then resell in real life or something like that. So tap on play and win, and you have two options right now. Depends on your location, you might have more. So you can tap on the first one or the second one. They are basically very similar. The first one has so many animation that might be a little annoying, as you can see guys. So you basically answer some questions and then you win 3 to 5 prizes, and then you choose the items that you want as a prize or that you want for free. As you can see guys, it says that you get stuff for free, so you choose what you want to get for free. But there is a little catch: you don't just get those things for free, you need to send your code or link to other users or to other people, and once those people install the app from your link and buy something from after installing the app from your link, you get those things for free. Now the second one is, as I said, it's kind of similar, also has the same annoying animation, but this one you don't really have to make other people buy. So when you share your link using this method, the people, I don't think they will have to buy in order for you to claim your free gifts. Using this one, this second option, they only have to install the app, and then you have to share the link with many people though, and then once many people enter or install the app from your link, you're good to go. You get your gifts for free. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. Please subscribe and thank you so much for watching.